Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm taking you on a morning walk through Dalat, a beautiful city nestled in the highlands of Vietnam. The streets are still a bit wet from a recent rain, so the air is really fresh. This walk will give you a real feel for the local life here. We'll start on some typical city streets with interesting architecture, and then dive right into a bustling, authentic morning market. It's a fantastic place to see the daily routine of the people living here. After the market, we'll climb up one of the steep stairways that Dalat is famous for, which will lead us to a different part of the city before we finish our walk near the central square. Just a heads up, this is a silent walking tour to let you enjoy the real sounds of the city. For more context about what you're seeing, you can turn on the subtitles, which are available in multiple languages. If you enjoy these kinds of immersive walks, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Alright, I hope you enjoy this walk through Dalat.